Hi everyone, welcome back to Lead with Parampreet. In today's video, we are tackling a fascinating IELTS writing task 2 topic. The question is, in the future, it seems more difficult to live on Earth. Some people think more money should be spent on researching another planet to live, such as Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to answer this question with strong arguments, great vocabulary, and a band 9 structure. Let's get started. Let's begin with the introduction. Every good essay starts with a general statement that sets the context. Here's what I wrote. It is an undeniable reality that Earth's environment is deteriorating, making the future of human existence increasingly uncertain. This line captures the seriousness of the topic and introduces the problem effectively. Next, we rephrase the question in our own words to show we understand it clearly. For example, some argue that significant financial resources should be allocated to exploring alternative planets, such as Mars, to ensure the survival of humanity. See how this rephrasing avoids copying the question directly but still conveys the same meaning. Finally, the thesis and outline. My thesis is clear and direct. This essay agrees with the given statement. And here is the outline sentence. This essay will firstly discuss how Earth's environmental challenges necessitate such research and later shed light on how space exploration can provide long term solutions to humanity's survival before coming to a viable solution. With that, the introduction is complete. Let's move on to the body paragraphs. Now, let's start the first body paragraph by introducing the main idea with a strong topic sentence. To begin with, the alarming pace of environmental degradation on Earth highlights the urgent need to explore other habitable planets. This sentence directly addresses the problem and sets up the argument. Next, we explain the point using precise vocabulary. To explain it, overpopulation, pollution, and resource depletion have put immense pressure on Earth's ecosystems, creating conditions that may become uninhabitable in the future. Notice how I have used words like overpopulation, pollution, and resource depletion to emphasize the severity of the issue. Now, let's add an example to strengthen the argument. For instance, rising global temperatures due to greenhouse gas emissions have caused melting glaciers, leading to rising sea levels and extreme weather patterns. Finally, we conclude the paragraph by linking it back to the thesis. Therefore, investing in research on planets like Mars could serve as a contingency plan for humanity, offering an alternative home in case Earth's conditions worsen further. This paragraph is clear, logical, and full of strong vocabulary. Let's move on to the next point. In the second paragraph, we'll highlight another advantage. Start with the topic sentence. What is more, advancements in space exploration could provide innovative solutions to global challenges. This introduces a new perspective while staying relevant to the topic. Now, explain this point. To put it simply, researching Mars, for instance, has already led to the development of cutting edge technologies such as water purification systems and renewable energy sources. See how we have used high level vocabulary like cutting edge and renewable energy sources to make the explanation sound professional. Here's an example to support this argument. For example, NASA's Mars rover missions have contributed to advancements in solar panel efficiency, which is now being utilized on Earth to combat energy crisis. And finally, link it back to the thesis. Therefore, funding planetary research not only paves the way for future survival but also addresses existing issues on Earth. This paragraph highlights both the immediate and long term benefits of space exploration. Now let's bring it all together in the conclusion. Here is what I wrote. To recapitulate, although some might argue that resources should be spent on solving Earth's current problems instead of exploring other planets, the worsening environmental conditions and the potential benefits of space research make such exploration a necessary investment. Finally, we end with a strong closing statement. Thus, humanity should prioritize planetary research to ensure survival and simultaneously utilize its innovations to improve life on Earth. This conclusion reinforces the main argument and leaves the examiner with a lasting impression. And that's it. We have covered the introduction, two strong main body paragraphs, and powerful conclusion. Remember to use connectors like to explain, for instance, and therefore to ensure smooth transitions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are preparing for IELTS. Don't forget to subscribe to Lead with Paramprit for more Band 9 tips and strategies.